Why is it in the United States of America, there's a shooting every month where people say the United States is the best country on the planet. But when we quite literally have had 63 shootings of school shootings, grocery shootings, or random shootings, at least every month has had at least one. And, well, if I'm mistaken, the actual number was 63 this year. So why is it that our government put in a federally mandated licensing requirement instead of having it put to the states? It's because if the states are allowed to pick and choose what the laws are, they're going to choose what they, as Republican, want. Instead of having it so people are safe, gun lobbyists lobby Republicans to make it so guns are easier to get. And then we have another Philly, Buffalo, or 900 more that I can't even remember. And if someone nitpicks that I say 900, there's been more than 1,000 school shootings in my lifetime. Or more than at least 500. There's no way there hasn't been more than 500. Has it been less? There's no way there has been less than 500 school shootings in my lifetime. Anyway, this video was a rant video because of the school shooting in Philly yesterday.